Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Laurel Street is a short but historically significant roadway located in downtown Baton Rouge, closely connected to the city's civic and commercial development. Running near major government buildings and public spaces, the street reflects Baton Rouge's role as Louisiana's political center, with nearby landmarks including the old state capitol, a striking Gothic revival structure completed in the year 1852. Today, the street is known for its proximity to arts venues, restaurants, and downtown gathering areas, making it an important link between historic sites and contemporary city life. Baton Rouge itself is one of the oldest cities on the Mississippi River, with roots reaching back to the early 18th century. Its name comes from a red marker pole used by indigenous tribes to mark territorial boundaries, a reminder that this land held meaning long before European settlement. Over time, Baton Rouge passed through French, British, Spanish, and American control, each leaving an imprint on the city's culture and governance. Its position on a bluff above the Mississippi made it strategically valuable, especially during conflicts like the Civil War, when control of the river meant control of trade and movement. Baton Rouge became the permanent state capital in the mid-19th century, cementing its political role in Louisiana. In the 20th century, the city expanded rapidly with the rise of the petrochemical industry, transforming Baton Rouge into a major industrial and economic center. Today, Baton Rouge blends government, industry, higher education, and culture. As we move through the city, you're seeing layers of history shaped by the river, resilience, and constant adaptation, factors that continue to define Baton Rouge's identity.
Thanks for watching!